Any game in life, either you play the game to win or to create an impact. I repeat, you play the game to win or to create an impact. The first category of people, come what may, they would love to win. In fact, for them, winning is the most important thing. And it doesn't matter how it comes, but they should win. The second category of people always try to create an impact. They play the game differently. They find out ways to play the game in a very creative way. And in fact, they always try to create an impact by doing something different, by playing the game differently. And for them, the most important thing is not winning, but playing, being in the game, guys. Now you need to decide whether you love only winning or playing. Thank you.